Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to reset your KitchenAid oven control panel quickly and easily. First, turn off the oven and unplug it from the power outlet for safety. Waiting a few minutes allows the control board to fully power down. Next, plug the oven back in and press the clear/off button. On most KitchenAid models, holding this button for 3 to 5 seconds will reset the control panel and clear any error codes. If your oven has a digital display, check that all lights and symbols have returned to normal. This indicates the control panel has successfully reset. For models with a circuit breaker, you can also reset the oven by turning off the breaker for 1 to 2 minutes, then turning it back on. This method ensures a full system reboot. Finally, run a short test cycle at a low temperature to confirm the oven is functioning properly and the control panel is responding correctly. By following these steps, you can quickly reset your KitchenAid oven control panel and restore normal operation. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.